Listen carefully, because what you are about to hear has the power to shift the entire direction of your life. You did not stumble into this moment by chance. Something greater than you arranged this exact second, an interruption designed to protect you from a pressure you didn't fully understand. For days you felt a heaviness that wasn't normal, a fog, a sense of emotional weight that seemed to appear without a clear reason. You've been asking yourself silently, what is going on with me? This message is your answer. There has been a spiritual disturbance pushing against your peace, not from another person, not from a human intention, but from the accumulation of negativity, jealousy, and unseen emotional burdens that often surround people walking toward their purpose. When you begin to rise, life has a way of stirring shadows that try to pull you backward. But what those shadows don't realize is this: you are protected more deeply than you know. The moment you were guided here, heaven stepped forward on your behalf. You are not unguarded. You are not exposed. You are not vulnerable. You carry a spiritual covering that has followed you since the beginning of your journey, even during chapters when you felt alone. What you felt recently, the pressure, the confusion, the exhaustion, was not a sign of your weakness. It was a sign that something greater was stepping in to block what was trying to drain you. Archangel Michael, symbol of divine strength, has already taken his place beside your path. His presence represents protection, clarity, and authority. When negativity tries to interfere with someone chosen for a higher purpose, Michael is the force that stands between you and anything attempting to dim your light. He cuts away the pressure. He exposes the shadow. He reminds your spirit that you are covered. Gabriel stands with him, the messenger of truth. While confusion tried to cloud your judgment, Gabriel reinforces your identity. He speaks clarity over your name and restores the truth of who you are, chosen, guided, strengthened, and aligned with a purpose bigger than current circumstances. And Raphael the healer moves gently around you. Every emotional bruise you felt, every wave of fatigue, every moment you struggled to understand your own energy, Raphael has been tending to those hidden wounds. His presence lifts what feels heavy. He restores what feels broken. He balances what feels scattered. Together, these forces symbolize something powerful. You are not fighting alone. And now that this protection has been activated, something else is happening behind the scenes. The pressure that once pushed against you is beginning to reverse. The confusion you felt is clearing. The heaviness is lifting. The exhaustion is dissolving. What once felt like resistance is turning into momentum. You are stepping into a season where everything that was once unclear becomes illuminated. The areas where you felt stuck will begin to move. The doors that seemed slow to open will start responding. The opportunities that once felt far away will begin to align with surprising ease. Your spirit has reached a turning point. This shift did not happen because you asked for it. It happened because you were ready for it. You were guided into this moment because heaven wanted you to see the truth. Your destiny is rising, and no unseen resistance can stop it. You are stepping into clarity. You are stepping into strength. You are stepping into purpose. Even great thinkers like C.S.Lewis understood this kind of spiritual tension. In his writings, he described how negativity does not always appear loudly or dramatically. Often it arrives subtly through emotional fog, through sudden discouragement, through feelings of pressure that seem to come from nowhere. But he also emphasized that the moment a person becomes aware, The moment light enters, darkness loses its influence instantly. That is what is happening for you right now. Awareness has opened the door to breakthrough. Divine protection has reinforced your path, and because of this, the energy around your life is changing rapidly. You may have felt tired, but strength is returning. You may have felt directionless, but clarity is emerging. You may have felt slowed down, but acceleration is now unfolding. This is not the end of your struggle. This is the beginning of your rise. Heaven is elevating you, not quietly, not gradually, but decisively. You are moving into a season where your steps will be guided more clearly. Your decisions will feel more aligned. Your opportunities will come with less resistance. Your spirit will feel lighter. Your purpose will feel closer. And now it is time to speak directly to your destiny. You are chosen not by chance, but by design. You are protected not by luck, but by divine orchestration. You are elevated not by people, but by purpose. You are unstoppable, not because you never face challenges, but because every challenge reveals how protected you truly are. Speak this with me. I am chosen. I am protected. I am guided. I am rising. These are not empty words. These are spiritual declarations that reshape the atmosphere around your life. As this message comes to its final moments, remain fully present. What happens next is meant to seal the shift that has already begun inside you. Let your heart open. Let your spirit receive. Let your destiny align. May peace settle over your mind. May clarity strengthen your decisions. May protection surround every step you take. May healing restore every part of you that felt strained. May purpose draw you forward with confidence. From this moment forward, may your path unfold with ease, grace, and divine timing. Your rise has started, and nothing can stop what has been set in motion.